How to buy bits on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can buy bits on Twitch. So how do you buy bits on Twitch? To buy bits on Twitch, the most effective way is by making use of the website. Alright, and once you're on the website, log in into your account, and then once you're logged in, I are brought to the home page. Okay, I'll move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some options like the Prime Gaming benefits, notifications, whispers, and then you can see the option Get Bits. So that's what we are looking for. So click on that. Then in the box displayed, you can see the different ways you can buy bits and different amounts depending on the number of bits that you would like to buy. You can see 300 bits, and the amount you can see 100 bits, and the amount same applies 500 on 5. So select the one that you can afford. There's 5,000, there's 10,000, there's 5,000. So for example, if it's the one of 300 bits, select the amount by the right side of the box, and then a box will be displayed where you have to complete your purchase. All right, to do that, you have to select your country of residence first of all, then move to the bottom right corner, click on proceed. If you have a Twitch gift card, click here to redeem the gift card now. Then by clicking on proceed, you will take you to the next stage where you will be asked to input in your card details and the likes. Ensure you carry out all of this, and then once you're done, you'll be able to buy bits successfully on your Twitch account. So that is it. You have the opportunity to select different payment method depending on the one you prefer. Select it, make your payment, get your bits, and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.